Hello. Yeah. Let me just on my Discord first and update it there. Where is our stage? Yeah. Today I'll start analyzing. Just give me a second. Just give me a second, guys. All set. C3, C4 expansion, and maybe today we are gonna get some kind of consolidation or again expansion as well because we are at all-time highs. But give me a second. Let me just update it in my Instagram as well. We need a ring. Yo, yo, welcome to the stream. Let me just check whether everything is fine or not. 222, finally. The guy who unsubscribed the channel might subscribe, maybe subscribe it back. I think nowadays the mic quality is better. I don't know how. I changed nothing, but it is better. What do you think on today's market? I don't see nothing, bro. Straight expansion in gold, silver. What oil? Oil. We might have something in oil. Yeah, oil is pushing lower. Yesterday, I was looking for shots from this fair value gap after forming this big point here. What's up, buddy? What's up? But look at this. This candle here. Why my bro? Just give me a second. Why it is 24 hours format? Look at this candle. This is a 2 p.m. candle. I was expecting this candle to push lower, but we got trapped over here. Not exactly trapped, but we pushed lower. Like at least we would have got our target there, but again consolidation. I don't know why the oil is being like shit. We traded somewhere around. We used to trade somewhere around here from here. Sorry for that. Let me just say. Used to trade it from 10 a.m. from here till 12, right? Like maximum 12. So look at this chop. So we would have definitely trapped into a chop. I don't know why this shit is happening lately with oil, but yeah, the overall idea was good here. I was looking for to push lower, but I think the oil had already expanded lower overnight, so and performed well yesterday in oil. But we had a beautiful setup in ES, which was so good. I took it on my fundeds. I don't know. Looking at these candles here, look at the C2. We had C2 crack and correlation, and C3, C4, and now I think we might overexpand it, and we might get a little bit of chop. Look at the daily candle here. It's kind of slow. I don't know. Like I'm expecting a chop today. Chop or already in a slow price action. I think that don't work out because the London already had expanded a lot. Yeah, maybe. But looking at the daily perspective, I'm talking about looking at the daily perspective. I think look at the candles here. External, sorry, internal to external already served, and we had a good expansion. And now we might get some consolidation or slow price movement there. Slow price movement. Look at this slow price movement. But we have to be careful. That's what I'm trying to tell. So that's the reason I'm not going to touch my. Oh, you're talking about oil. Yeah, I was talking about yesterday's setup in oil, so I didn't get it. So I might be trading my evals today, not funded, just to be safe. I want to move slow, so not gonna risk much, take much risk. That's what. So if we get any like A plus F, some kind of textbook, then I might think of trading my fundeds. But I have a evals to trade, so yeah, I'm good to go with those. So coming to the gold we have a lot of room in gold to trade. See, we have this this high. I know it's way more higher, which we are targeting, but in silver it's very near. So there's no swing point to target at this point. Like look at this low resistance liquidity built up here, and we have this swing point at least the market should reach. But again, this is a daily time frame. It will take a little bit of more time. But coming to the 4 hour, if silver reaches this high, I'm going to step back on gold and silver. I don't want to see like SMT up here and then push back lower. So yeah, expecting that. But these clean low resistance liquidity up here looking so good to me. If I get any chance, if I get any you know high probability setup, then I'll definitely go for it before silver clears this high. That's the plan for silver and gold today. I think the live streams are getting better day by day. I personally felt it. Oil. Coming to the oil, we have a clear drawdown here, so no need to think of it. Yes, sir. Quality तो अच्छी लग रही है. है. Yeah, the streams are getting much better. Yeah. The thing is, I never talked in front of camera before, so it is getting me. It is taking a little bit more time to talk better and respond better. But I'll get it there. No worries. It will take time, but we'll figure it out. We'll do it. It will improve day by day. Oil. I think you'll get used to it over time. Topic. Yeah, exactly. Oil, we have a clear drawdown here, but without any crack in correlation, I'm not gonna look for any continuation. At least I need some, one stage to continuation for continuation here. Looking at hourly, we I think we'll get this SMT fill level gap SMT fill, and then we might push lower. That's what I'm looking. Let's wait for market to open and see. This is our daily 4 hour, and that's my views on all the assets. Again, coming to the indices, look at this. I don't know why, but indices are being shitty nowadays. Look at these long wicks here. Look at these long wicks and very small bodies. Look at this long wicks, a long wicks, a very long wicks, long wicks. This kind of market condition is not at all good to catch a perfect expansions. Um, the truth is, we are learning so much from the streams. Thank you so much, guys. That means a lot to me. That's a very best compliment that any trader or a live streamer would have caught in his live streams. These shitty wicks, bro. Now, why the wicks, such wicks confuse is because this is nothing but creating some kind of low resistance liquidity, which we ideally call failure swings and running away from it. So at this point, we most of the time expect it to take out these first and then push higher, but it will never do that. So it's kind of trick the people, and again, like there's no volume in the market. Sometimes it happens like no big wicks and small bodies will easily chop you out from the market if you try to take any trades. But yeah, we need to wait. We can't rush things. Look at that. Once failure swing is taken out, we do have uh, we have a lot of liquidity down here. If you look at it mechanically, but again, all-time highs and shorting the indices at all-time highs is a bit risky. Let's wait, guys. We clear this low. Yes, not in NQ. I'm expecting this to flip in another 12 minutes if it's possible. And the ES not to flip because looking at the ES, it's looking way more weaker to me. And if it does, then we'll get a two stage, and then we can think of trading higher to these external London highs there, external liquidity. So yeah, expecting that. Am I streaming at 1080p? Yes, sir. So if that doesn't happen, then I think I should wait for. Again, we still have this Kraken correlation up here with ES. We might think of reversal targeting the Asian lows. Even that will work because we overexpanded today. Then so we might get some kind of pullback in daily. As I said, we are going to have a consolidation or retracement today because previous days, 3 days have expanded a lot. So you might get that as well. So at this point, I'm not going to have a predetermined bias. I'll just, you know, uh, react on how the market plays out. And if I get this change in state of delivery after that Kraken correlation up there, then I might think of going shorts here. Again, this is not any lower time frame analysis. This is 1 hour time frame. So I think I can trust that 1 hour. So so let's stick to it. 6 p.m. previous 4 hour high is taken. Coming to the hourly, yeah, we didn't get that Kraken correlation on oil, but this is a good sign. We are getting a little bit of pullback before getting towards our draw. So we are basically saving our draw. Like we will have a room for 10 a.m. That's what I mean. So we'll wait, and we'll see what are we gonna get there. We had this beautiful one stage there and a good push down and retracement. Clear this high. Yes, we did. We did clear this high in HO. Let's see. Let's wait. That's the only thing we can do right now. We got another 8 minutes, guys, for 10 a.m. to open. As expected, I want to see flip here. So let's wait. But not flip. If not flip, and if we get this changes it of delivery, then that's good for me. I'm not going to trade one directional today. Like I'm not going to have a predetermined bias here. So anything else, guys? What are your views on our indices today? You can share your thoughts. You can share your thoughts. Maybe PM will be better. Yeah, we have to wait and see. Look at this as expected. Look at this. So I want to play my playlist here, guys. Like while live streaming, but again, copyright will be the problem. Look at this beautiful V-shaped recovery here. We can try this as well. Should I try this on my eval? Let me see. This is before 10 a.m. So be careful. Just that, yeah. Let's try to long it here. Stop and 2 hour with the contract. Should I risk 3 contracts? Yeah, 3 will be fine. So if we come back and tap the change in state of delivery, then I might try this before clearing this high, before clearing that high. So if we clear this London high, then I am going to just cancel it off. And again, guys, for your information, this is uh what do you say eval account. So don't risk if you are not confident on this. Let me take this MNQ this side and MS this side. It will be better for me to record on this side. We have our limit set there, and this is our draw. So if we reach our draw without tapping us in, then we are taking it out. That's it. S&P will be stronger if you look at it theoretically, because we are gonna get a good strength switch. I'm hoping that to happen. But if that happens, if S&P turns out to have a good strength switch, then we can engage in S&P as well, because we'll be having a good draw left up there. Third is trying not to. Oh, that's evil, bro. I'll force it and enter it. Oh, I don't know. Like even at this point, I would have entered at market execution, but I don't want to mess up with my psychology, so I'm sticking to what I have thought. So yeah, even if I miss this, I have a 10 a.m. to trade, so no need to worry about that. But I'm gonna risk very limited today, like way more less. Like yesterday I risked only $140, uh, like around $150 to get 300 there. So yeah, that will be my risk today as well. In evals, I'm gonna risk 250, but in fund rates, I'm going to go with 150. That's the only risk I can bear, to be honest, on my fund rates. So not gonna risk much. I think that's a very smart way to handle things. Even if I lose two trades, I'll be fine. So that's the thing. I think we'll be having another, oh, I think another 2 minutes maybe. Come on, bro. Don't do this. We just stick away. I'm not gonna touch it. If I miss, I miss it. That's it. Whatever happens. Come on. Come on. Don't miss this by a tick. Uh, Shit. Look at that. So next candle will be the 10 a.m. open. So we will get tap probably. I'm expecting to happen, but I don't know. I don't know. I'm not gonna say anything. Not gonna say anything here. Hello, bro. Hello. Welcome to the stream. Make sure to like the stream, guys. Sure to like the stream, guys. Yes, sir. We are in. We are in. Now the problem is we haven't yet opened 10 a.m. We have still 10 seconds to open. 10 a.m. low. The 10 a.m. low. That's the thing. Like till what extent we are going to push down to set the low of 10 a.m. candle, or else we are going to straight away pump higher. That's the thing. But we are instead of we placed ourselves at a very good spot. That's what I feel, because look at the 1 hour here, C2, and we are instead of C3. That's a beautiful place to be in trade. But let's see what are we gonna get there. But the tricky part here is till what extent the 10 a.m. candle will push lower. That's the thing. Make sure to like the stream, guys, and do hit the subscribe button. We are gonna do live streams every day here, so stay tuned. 10 a.m. low in FPG. Yeah, yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, we have that. We have that. You know, point of interest to protect us from there. But as soon as the London high will be taken in NQ, I'll be going to break even just to protect ourselves. But look, overall, looking at the setup, it looks very, very cool to me. Like we are at the safe side. So finally, we have 10 viewers today. I think we hit our all time highest viewing. I think it was 13. I think it was 13 when the refined trader raided our channel. And back then, I was not even doing my face cam. So yeah, we are doing good, guys. 10 viewers. Yesterday we had couple of 2 3 maybe, and today we have 10. That's so good. Make sure to, if you guys are here, then make sure to hit the subscribe as well. That will help me a lot. Help me a lot to do something for you guys. I think I'll be coming up with a lot of content maybe once I get free. I've been doing a lot of things lately, so once I'll be free, I'll try to do something for you guys. I'll try to share as much as I know through YouTube or through Discord. I'm gonna start a new server maybe. I do have my old server. I think I just rebranded it, the lab, and I'm going to be active there soon. So yeah, let's see. So once the London high is taken, I'm going to be at break even to be safe. This is going to be a little bit longer trade, I think, because we took it in a 5 minutes, so it's gonna take a bit more time, I think. But let's hold it, guys. Patience pays always. That's the first rule in our trading. So for 10 a.m. low, as Robson was talking about, this fair value gap might hold it. He was talking about something like pushing down, setting up the 10 a.m. low, and then pushing higher. So as we are inside of C3, I was expecting not to miss this move because if we didn't get a tap here, I'm sure we are definitely gonna miss this. So just to be safe on both the sides, like not to miss at the same time and not to risk a lot. So so this is a perfect place to be in the trade. That's what I felt. So yeah, we are around like 2 3 minutes before 10 a.m. on this trade. But yeah, this is a very very good place to be. Let's see. Let's see if we get that push and take out the London highs, and then we can go break even. No, I'll be worried till when I go to the look at the strength switch in ES, guys. Look at the strength switch in ES. What I was talking about. So yeah, we took the London highs. If any one of you guys are inside of this trade, please go to the break even. Please go to the break even. Okay, please go to the break even because mine is risk free. So make sure yours as well. So there is no point of risking it everything on at this point after clearing out the important key level there. So yeah, just to be safe, guys. Just go break even. So that's the end of talk about trade. Now we are going to just hold it. And do you know 11 trades? I might have seen, but I don't know honestly. I'm not much active. Like I don't know, bro, about 11 trades. Sorry, I don't know much about 11 trades to be honest. It's a good prompt there. YouTube. I saw way back, like I think a year, 6 to 8 months before. I think maybe 11 trades. Never heard of him, bro. Sorry, never heard of him. Sorry, I don't know about 11 trades. Sorry, I tried a lot to remember him, but I never heard of him. Standard deviation exact -2 level there at 2 hour. We are getting beautiful pump higher. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Don't adjust now. We are almost halfway there and we are safe. That's the best part. So now executions. What? Why can't I see executions? Why? What the? I think it will take a little bit of time to load. I don't know. Sir, welcome to the stream, sir. I know who you are. Yes, sir. What's up? The one who are in ES might be printing as well. I am not. You should be mine. Just kidding, guys. He is one of my closest friends. So, oh shit. Why, bro? Yesterday you sent me a DM that you are down, and why did you miss such a beautiful trade? What is your reason to take it? Very simple, bro. I planned I just literally said that I'm expecting this to close bullish, this 1 hour to close bullish, and this 1 hour to stay bearish in ES to get that two stage in both assets. So we got the two stage, and we had a good V shape change in state of delivery here, and that's a very simple trade. That's very textbook there. I think you don't need a much explanation because you're already pro, bro. You know better than me. I've closed the week. My psychology will get messed up if I trade more. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's good. That's good thing. Better you're refining your trades on trading paper, but I hope you understood something out of it. Whatever I have explained today, or whatever the videos I have sent yesterday to you to just refine yourself. I think that might have helped you a lot, and that's the only thing I want, guys. If the things I'm sharing with you guys, if the things I'm showing in here, if it's helping you guys, and then that's more than enough for me, to be honest. We are almost there. Now it's time to hold back. We are almost there. Let's holding back. Let's go, NQ. Pushed very well, better than I expected. I thought it will take a lot of time. A beautiful trade, very beautiful trade. If it hits a TP, even if it didn't hit that, we are all good with it because what a plan we had today. To be honest, What a plan we had today. I think we are not gonna hold back today. So what am I doing? You're almost there, bro. Come on now. Don't do this. Again, anyhow, we are safe. No need to worry. The thing I have instead of me of taking 2 hour or break even, bro. I think that's gonna be very dangerous for me. Either 2 hour or break even or a loss or a loss. You are going to see only three results. Either it'll be a 2 hour, either it will be a break even or a loss. There is no in between at all. So that will be somehow like somewhat will be dangerous to me, but I think it will help me at the same time. So yeah, not gonna change myself. Let's see. What do you think, guys? Is that right? What I am doing, or I should be very like you know flexible with my TPs? What do you think? But being flexible with your TPs, I think it will little bit mess up with your psychology. Not on my screen. So I was talking. I was telling about. Yeah, yeah. So either I should take a 2 hour or break even or stop loss. So these are the only results you'll be seeing on my live streams. No in between exit, out of FOMO, nothing. So is it a good habit to have, or I should be go with a flexible like I should be more flexible with OTPs because personally what I felt is being flexible with your TP might you know little bit mess around with your psychology. So just systematically go with the 2 hour, and that's a good thing to do. Take your profits now. On the end of the day, do you close sit-ups? I assume you don't. You hold overnight. No, bro. I never held overnight till date. I never held overnight. I will close before my live stream, whatever the trade it is. If it is a clear draw, if I'm a break even, or if it's a very one or two contracts runners, then I might have left it, but I'll definitely make sure to close it before AM session ends or before lunch hour ends. I'm not gonna hold it overnight. Take your profits now. Bro, I haven't yet got to the 2 hour. But it was a beautiful setup. Even I have that urge to take out now, but I don't think so. That's a safe. That's a good thing to do. I'm just gonna stick to my thing. Whatever. I think TP should be according to drawn liquidity. Yeah, yeah, according to the drawn liquidity. But what if you're not getting your 2 hour on the drawn liquidity? What if you're not getting your 2 hour on drawn liquidity? So in rare cases, can close in 2 hour if price doesn't deliver. Yeah, I close before 2 hour, but very rare, very rare. I do close before 2 hour, but very rare. Even I am a human, bro. Even I have that, FOMO thing, tilt thing coming in. Even I have fucked up a lot of times. So why can't I see executions, bro? What the fuck? Even it's on, let you all. Oof! Look at that, guys. What the hell? Look at that. What the? missing by a tick. Not gonna take it out. Whatever. Not gonna take it out. It would be on ES. There was a deep retracement in ES there. Not gonna take it out. Not gonna take it out. Missed it by a tick. Not gonna take it out. Come on, bro. Can I trail it? It's possible. Should I trail it? Yeah, let's trail it. What the fuck was that? I mean, beyond the bodies. Oh, SMT that highs. Much was that, bro? Very frustrating. 15 points. I hold it, whatever. I think it will take me out. Come on. Come on, sir. Come on. Thank you. Don't do this. Oh, not this, bro. Come on, shit. On, flip it. Flip it. Flip it. Flip it. Give us that pop up. Come on. Yeah, whatever. 1.17. Even that's good. I'm not going to mess around because you almost reached that to -2 level. I was trying to, just tighten it a little bit. What? Trump tweeted something? Trump tweeted something, guys. Very good so far. So I stay. Trump tweeted something, guys. But someone please tell me why am I not getting this execution markings? What the hell? Look at this. What's wrong with my trading view? S&P 500, Nasdaq at record highs as oil pulls back, brings relief. It is an glitch. Can't help it. I don't know, bro. He has my complete and total endorsement. Never let you down. Win, buddy, win. What the fuck? Shit. But yeah, well planned trade. I would say very beautiful trade. Not gonna lie, very beautiful trade. Well planned trade. Crazy trade. That's what he tweeted. More running for United States. The great state of Alabama, one of my all-time favorites. Fantastic guy and totally reliable mega warrior. Bro, he does. I don't know why he does this shit, but whenever I was holding trade or whenever I'll be trade, he does it at exactly that time. It happened with me a lot of times. Bro, I would have the day before yesterday, I was on my another evals. I had one extra eval, so I was on that. I was in 14 contracts on that. I was in 14 contracts, okay, and I was on short trade in because he tweets at times when we trade. Yeah, exactly. That's the thing. So we might have almost reached to our maybe yeah we might have almost reached it there, but that's totally fine. It's 1.17, 1.174. That's totally fine. We are good with it. So what I was talking about is like I was in shorts with 14 contracts. Which indicator is this? Which one, bro? This you're talking about? This? That's clone of TTFM, not TTFM. Let me be honest with you guys. Clone of TTFM. Somewhere I got you only trade 9:30 to 11, bro. Yeah, exactly. Only trade 9:30 to 11. Sometimes more than 11, but before 12, I would say. Like I would end my stream before 12. So yeah. Name of that indicator is bro. That's I have a code of that indicator. It's not published. Maybe if you guys want, I'll publish it. Let just give me a second. I publish this. So then whatever. Let's publish it. Whatever, bro. Is it published? Is it published? Did I add something? Continue publishing. Come on. I'll send the link here. Don't worry, guys. So copy the link and share it in chat. I'm gonna pin it. You guys can take it from there uh, in the message. Yeah. Here we go. Here we go. You guys have the indicator now. You guys can use it. If you guys face any problem, you guys can just DM me in Instagram. I'll be active there. Mic is- So I'll be active there in Instagram. I'll definitely respond to your DMs. So what about what's trade doing? Trade doing. Yes. Look at that push. We got 2 hour there, but it's totally fine. It's totally fine. How much did we make today? 411, just 90 away from our original target, but that's beautiful trade. That's a beautiful trade. Look at the 10 a.m. 1 hour expansion we were engaged in. It's a crazy trade there. It's a beautiful one. And coming to the gold. I'm not going to trade anymore because one winner is more than enough for me. Anyhow, I'm not gonna trade. Look at that. Look at that reversal from there. As expected. As expected. We are. What was your longest losing streak ever? Bro, longest losing streak. I never had a longest losing streak because till I had a longest losing streak, I would have blown my accounts. To be honest, because but honestly talking, I'm a very like psychologically fucked up guy. Sometimes I don't be you know it happens with me. Yeah, I get into a tilt very easily and blow up the entire account very easily. So so being open up with you guys, being very honest here. So I never had a biggest losing streak. I have taken a breaks a lot of times. I have taken a biggest breaks like 3 months, sometimes 5, 6 months maybe. But losing streak, no, bro, not a. no losing streaks, I would say. Having a losing streak for 5 to 6 days is not a biggest losing streak, I would call it. I would have blown my account till then, bro. To be honest, I get into a tilt very easily. But the best part is whatever I blow the evals a lot, not a fundeds, evals a lot because I trade fundeds very rarely. I just trade like if I get a one good trade, then I will just stop trading it for 1 or 2 days and then come back and then trade it again if I see a genuine setups. Break from trading or live trading? Break from trading, bro. Trading, not live. Just started live trading like very recently, in 26 maybe this year. I have been trying to be active in live trading. So the reason behind trading live is I felt that it's gonna help me to improve my psychology, and it is helping me a lot, to be honest. So yeah, I'll I'll continue doing this live streams daily, and yeah, we are gonna we are gonna make some serious shit here. Oh, you're talking about I meant live trading with your live capital, not live streams. Not like, bro. Being honest with you, I never ever traded my live capital, and I don't want to do that because being in India, trading a live capital is very difficult here. We don't have in India. Indians don't have regulated brokers to trade global markets or forex markets. So if you want to trade your capital, you should be going with Indian markets. And Indian FNOs are, bro. I personally feel shit, bro. Like I'm not a Indian FNO guy, to be honest. I think he wants to ask you switch to the paper trade when you say medievals funded accounts. I know, bro. Like the longest break I had is 6 months, 6.5 months, and I never even opened a trading view. Look at that push! Come on, we would have printed a lot of money here, but again, that's a trap. Whatever you are seeing here, after exiting, if you feel uh, after exiting, if you feel that I would have held it much more higher, then that's a trap for you. Like personally, I feel it nowadays. Not be able to last 6 months, bro. That was because of some personal reasons, some personal problems. Because I want to have a job before I trade full time. So I was searching for a job, and I was busy in completing my degree, you know, graduating and coming out of there and searching for a job and all those things. Now we have job, so I work a 9 to 5 job and 6 to 9 9:30 trade, and then eat, sleep, repeat. Life is going smooth nowadays, guys. Like, yeah, I should not say that on live streams, evil eyes, but yeah, it's good. Like what I thought I'm in that phase right now because I always had that thing to have that live stream. Live stream, live trading plus job for your backup. So I have that. So I work and I trade, manage both. And working somehow helps me to just stay away from trading on unusual times like London session where I lost a shit ton of accounts. So somehow it will help me a lot, and it will help me a lot in like going out, talking to the people, We traders don't get a same mindset people where you stay. We are going to find friends or partners online more than on live like in everyday life. So so we should have a all kinds of friends, I think. Wolf in a herd of ships type shit. Yeah, yeah, maybe. Being in everyday life, it's like wolf in a herd of sheep, but being in a like trading zone, it's like wolf in a herd of lions or something. Because every trader we see out there are doing much more better than us. We feel something like this. If you see on, if you go around the social medias and all, everyone would have felt this in their like trading career, that some guy is doing better than me. I have to get my things right. I have to work on whatever I'm doing wrong or anything like that. What about trader life in India, bro? If you're trading global markets and making good profits, you will come on the upper category. You're like rich people, because earning in dollars and spending it in rupees, it's bro, it's so you'll feel like everything is very cheap in India. Like you'll be um, leading some very good lifestyle, I would say. If you see, in India, people work very hard here to earn a very little bit amount of money. So that's the reality of India, because there is a lot of population, but people are not getting jobs. So people will just go and do jobs whatever they get and earn whatever they are getting out of it. Chalo, bye bye. See you guys tomorrow. Download it. Yes, sir. Hit the like and go, bro. I deserve a like. So yeah, that's it, guys. We had a beautiful trade today, and as usual, I'm gonna end the stream very early. I think Nasdaq paid us very well today. We upload it here. Oh, NJ is here in Discord. Welcome, NJ. I'm going to end the stream now, but you're welcome. Oh, someone took the same trade. Someone is trading same as mine in our server. I'm very happy. Yes, sir. Beautiful long setup there. Beautiful. This is something you guys should see. Let me just show you guys. One guy from our Discord server. Oh, give me a sec, guys. I accidentally pressed the Windows D, which will close your all the all the tabs. Let me just pull it here. Where is that? Where is that? Where is that? Where is that? Can you guys see this trade? Look at that perfect setup. Let me see if you guys can see that. Look at that. Oh, sorry. Look at this perfect setup. Like, I think he read my mind today. Taking longs on silver. Longs on silver. Let me see silver. Let me see silver, 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 baby. Where are you? Don't see any pattern correlation here for longs. In minute to have this two stage here. 1 lot time frame little bit. And you can look for longs from here. From where? What's the price? What's the price? What's the price? What is the price you're in from? What's the price? Where? 8 to 320. 8 to 320. From here? I think you entered after this changes state of delivery. Something like this. Your stop might be here. Working for 2 hours or this high. I don't know. Hmm. If you would have asked me, I would have taken this after this changes state of delivery. But anyhow, you're already in 5 minutes CST. Yeah. Oh, you're already in. Just hold it. We might get push higher. Yeah, alert here. So why didn't you take that NQ trade today? That was very sweet trade. Very good trade. Because you break your rules. So that was I didn't break my rule. I was just 2 minutes away, like 1 or 2 minutes away from 10 a.m. open. And even if 10 a.m. opens, I would have got a straight pump or a very deep pullback. So if I would have waited for a pullback, then I would have definitely missed it. Or told me you will never 30-minute close in 10 a.m. If you're closing, see, if you're closing C2, then if you're seeing a chance of getting good expansion, then you can engage. You can just punch it on a 10 a.m. opening price. You can't be mechanical on something like in trading, but you should be mechanical when you're draw. You have a lot of room to trade, and you're not sure about whether we are going to reach there or not, or something like that. But yeah, it was a beautiful trade today. Even one guy from my server the same trade as I. Even yesterday he took the same trade, and today he did it again. Anything guys, anything guys, anything else? I'm gonna stop stream now. I have some other works to do. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah. What's the day today? I think it is Thursday. Okay, MDC. Yeah, I'll come. just go have some, you know, something to eat, and I'll come back. We are pushing. Don't worry, we'll push on silver. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Take care and bye bye. Do subscribe the channel. It will help me a lot, and like the stream and share it with your friends. And yeah, see you guys. Take care. Bye bye.